So today's video is all about this headlamp. You may have seen it all over TikTok. It's gone a bit viral. I've seen it, thought let's check that out. So let's look at it. So I'll do a quick review. So quick unboxing now, and then I'll use it in work later, and I'll show you it working and see how effective it actually is. So it's all perspective induction headlamp. It's USB rechargeable and sensor. It's a high efficiency Series B LED and XPE LED lights. A mouthful.
That's what she said.
It's got a working time of 2.5 to 8 hours. Like I say, it's USB-C rechargeable, which is included. Got wave induction and 350 lumens. Just ignore the decor right now because we've just not long moved in, so we haven't decorated this bedroom yet. But this is my new studio going forward. Okay, so that is the USB-C recharge. Here is the device. Okay, so as you can see, the front is like a rubber silicone sort of material, and then just a typical sort of stretchy strap on around the back. There's adjustables on the side, just stick straight on your head. So, the front light, it's about a science fiction film or something, isn't it? A little bit dimmer. Side light, again a little bit dim on the side. Okay, I've just noticed on the side there's some like little LED lights. If you press what looks like a Wi-Fi signal, then a green light comes on, which obviously tells it it's now activated. So you should be able to hand gesture it to come on. Okay, I'm going to take a further look into it now, and I'll carry on recording tonight when I'm at work. Okay, so it's now later on, and now at work. As you can tell, it's very dark, you can't see me. Just going to show you that's how dark it currently is. So I'm going to turn this head torch on. There's a couple of settings. Side light. Very hard to see in the dark here, but we can just about work it out, I think. Like I say, it's got a side swipe. Just swipe your hand on the side of the headset, and it will just come on. Okay, so now I've fully tested it. I've been using this for the last couple of weeks doing work. It is really spot on. I'll just put this light back on so I can show you the sort of swipe thing. You've not really seen it before. So, apologise for blind you. So you see it on. There's a second button here just on the side, like I said. So you press that, which activates like the motion sensor. So if you just sort of swipe, it's going to be light on. Okay, it's not working now. Maybe it doesn't work when it's light. It seems to work at night. Basically, yeah, you just sort of swipe. Once you've activated it, you sort of swipe forward. The light will come on. You swipe backwards, it'll go off. I don't know why it's not working now, unless it's, like I say, because of the light. But anyway, I promise you it does work. The price, absolutely bargain. I paid like £3 something, I think it was. Maybe even less on AliExpress. So yeah, just before you go, just let you know, you can actually support me and my channel now down below with the YouTube memberships. I've got a tier from just £1.99, which is about $2.99, I think. You can do the YouTube membership, the Patreon, or you can just buy me a coffee. Any support that you give me, I thank you now in advance. Thank you so much. It enables me to continue doing these videos. Just make sure you follow my social media as well. I've got the TikToks, the Twitters, the Instagrams, I'll list them all down here. And that pretty much wraps up this video. So thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. Give me a thumbs up if this gave you some value, some kind of entertainment. And make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you all soon in the next one. I promise you, there'll be more coming more often. See you soon.